Everybody? No, I think I'll have to do it how we do it in school. Good morning. Okay. Okay, that doesn't continue now? It does continue still. Okay. I'm not that old then, that means. No, firstly, good morning all the teachers, principals, all of you all my dear friends over here, and that was such a nice introduction. Teacher Donna, thank you so much. I think give her a round of applause because honestly, I'm telling you, it was not easy to get me here. I know she had to constantly message my mom. Yesterday night, she got my number, finally from my mom. But no, thank you so much for having me here. I think it's such a great joy and honor for me to come back to where it all started for me. You know, this school. I don't know if you all have heard that saying that, you know, it takes a village to raise a child. I think I am a testament of that. If it was not, firstly for God, then He blessed me with the right parents, then He also blessed me with the right school, and then also the right people, the right teachers, and the principals, because there have been many principals. I don't think I would have been where I am today. So I genuinely mean this. Thank you from the bottom of my heart to all the teachers, all the staff, every single person. I think even Thiru will be there he is. Hi Thiru. No, he's one of the sweetest guys I've ever met, always helpful, always with a smile. So can we give a round of applause for all of them? Okay, I've said this in a lot of schools I've been a part of. I think I was there for the annual day also once, and I said this. So my first, I think advice, okay? My first advice, I know it's too early in the morning to give advice. Everyone's like, we are missing our school period and all. Some of you all are happy. I used to be that one. I used to be happy to bunk class, but no, I attended all the lectures, okay? I was a good kid. Okay, so my first advice, okay, to all of you all would be, sitting down there, okay? Sitting down there, don't make fun of the person standing here, okay? Or don't think, yaar, kab iska bhashan khatam hoga, because one day you guys will be here and some other kids will be sitting down there, okay? Okay? So, you know, every time I look at all of y'all, I just feel like, just a sense that, you know, all of y'all are so special. All of y'all are so valuable. Like more than what you do, I think just for the people you are just valuable, and all of y'all are born to do great things in life. How many of y'all believe that? Just lift your hands. Y'all are born to do great things in life, right? Yes. Okay, so what I actually wanted to share with y'all, I try and keep it as short as possible. What I actually wanted to share with y'all is a little bit about my journey. I am Jemima Rodrigues. I started playing cricket at the age of 4 because of my 2 elder brothers, Enoch and Ellie, and my dad. My dad always wanted to be a cricketer, but because of the circumstances at home, he couldn't pursue his dream. But he never stopped his daughter from playing cricket. And today, I could say that I am living his dream of representing India and playing for India. So yeah. Okay, I have a question for you all. How many of you all have dreams? That's good. Everyone over there also has dreams? Okay, everyone has dreams. And you know, I also strongly believe that when God made all of us, yes, He made all of us with beautiful hair, beautiful eyes, beautiful features, with a lot of talents, but at the same time, one thing He instilled in all of us is a dream. You know, for me, if I look back in my own life, it all started with a dream. When my dad took me to the stadium for the first time and I was watching a match, I was like, you know what, I was very, very young, like maybe younger than all of you all. And I was like, you know, one day I want to be in the stadium and I want people to come and cheer for me. So I want to ask you all today, what is your dream? What is something that God has put in your heart that, you know, it gives you great joy, but at the same time, it's something you need to like really work hard to get. I know few of you all are going to become great musicians, few of you all are going to become doctors, leaders in the country, maybe politicians also. Few of you all are going to become chefs and maybe like me, a sports person. So everyone has a dream. And you know what's the best part about a dream? It's limitless. You know, as long as you can think about that, you can achieve it. So don't think small, think big. पर सोचने का पैसा नहीं लगता ना, they say. Think big, dream big, because you never know what you can achieve if you just start dreaming big. And the second thing I would like to say about a dream, okay, this is with all due respect I say, but your dreams, sorry in advance the teachers and principals, but your dreams will never ask you, tera baap kaun hai? They will never ask you what's the name of your dad or what's your surname. You know, all your dream cares about is one, are you willing to work as hard as possible? Number two, are you willing to do whatever it takes to achieve that dreams? It comes with a lot of sacrifice, tears, pain, joy, a lot of hard work. But I think if you're willing to do that, there's nothing that can stop all of you all from achieving your dreams today. You believe that? Because I believe all of you all here are going to do great things in life and going to achieve your God-given dream that God has put in your heart. Okay, the second thing what I want to tell. So first one was about a dream, okay? To dream big and to do whatever it takes to achieve that dream. The second thing I want to tell you all is, while you achieve your dreams and you reach that level, because all of you, like I said, going to reach great heights and soar on new levels. But when you get there, don't forget the people who helped you to achieve your dream. Because I wouldn't be here today if it was not for my teachers here, for my principal here, who supported me when I was very young. See, now I'm playing for India. Now it's very easy when people come to me and say, okay, I will support you. But they supported me when I was nothing. You know, they were there with me. They were there with me throughout. They kept encouraging me. They helped me with my studies. They put values in me that today, you know, I can come here and proudly say, you know, I'm from SJC. So, simple example, maybe if, you know, on the ground, there's a cricket pitch, there is a mama, we call him a mama, he helps roll the pitch. If it was not for him, maybe preparing the pitch so good, maybe my cover drive wouldn't have been so good. Just a simple small thing. Maybe if my mom wouldn't have woken up at 4 in the morning to prepare my dabba and maybe wash my clothes, maybe I wouldn't have pursued my dreams today. So just the little things that people do in your life that help you become who you are today. So I genuinely believe nobody is a self-made man or a woman. You know, first it's God who gives you the talent, and second, He puts the right people at the right time to help you become who you are today. So always remember, because all of y'all are going to do great things. Trust me when I say that, y'all are going to do great things in life. But always remember, even if it was the smallest person, maybe passed you a glass of water, remember them. Because without them, you wouldn't be where you are today. Right? So second thing, remember the people who help you achieve your dream. Okay, and the last and final thing what I want to say is, while achieving your dream, help someone else achieve their dream. I think that's the most important. You know, if you ask me, maybe towards the end of my career, maybe some 15 years down the line, what would give me the most joy and satisfaction? Yes, would be the runs, the trophies, all the medals I've gotten. Yes, maybe winning the World Cup also soon. But I think the most joy and satisfaction I would get when I look back in my life would be seeing someone I have helped when they were down, when they were out, achieve their dreams. And I think that there's no greater joy and satisfaction than that. So look out for people, you know, they may be your friends, they may be right here. Look out for someone who's low on that day. Someone who just needs, you know, a tap on their shoulder and say, hey, you're doing well, you're going to do well in your exams. Or someone who's like struggling, maybe getting a negative attitude. Just help them, just tell them you are not that person, you are better than this. You know, just a little words of encouragement, that little belief will help that person go a long way, and that can do wonders for you. So I think the teachers today would relate to what I'm saying, that I think, you know, every time I see them, they have such a big smile on their face, every time they see me, because they have helped me achieve their dream. And today, it's like all of our dream that I am getting to live. So, will you all be those kids today? Such a big bhashan I gave, nobody's... Will you all achieve your dreams today?
Yes!
Will you all remember the people who helped you all achieve your dreams?
Yes!
And will you all help someone else achieve their dreams while you achieve yours?
Yes!
Yes, thank you so much for having me, and it was such a great joy to see all of you. Thank you.